If you want to transfer all your photos and videos from the Photos app on your iPhone to an external hard drive, SSD or USB flash drive, you can do it directly from your iPhone. So in this short video, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Let's get started. First, open the Files app on your iPhone and go to On My iPhone. Here, we need to create a new folder where we will temporarily save our photos and videos. To create a folder, simply press and hold on an empty area of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. Select New Folder and a new folder will be created. Now rename the folder to anything you like. Once that's done, go back to the home screen and open the Photos app. Tap Select at the top and select all the photos and videos that you want to transfer. Once you've selected everything, tap the Share button at the bottom and then select Save to Files. Select Save to Files. The Files app will now appear on your screen. Select the same folder that you created earlier under On My iPhone and then tap Save. Your selected photos and videos will now be saved inside this folder. Now go back to the Files app and connect your external hard drive, SSD or USB flash drive to your iPhone. As soon as you connect it, you'll see a new volume under Locations. Now go back to On My iPhone and select the folder where we saved our photos and videos. Tap the three dots at the top, select and choose the folder you want to transfer. Once the folder is selected, tap three dots at the bottom and select Copy. At this point, you can either copy or move the data. If you choose Move, the data will be transferred to the external drive and removed from your iPhone. Your data will stay on your iPhone and a copy of it will also be transferred to your external drive. For this example, we will use Copy. Now go back to the previous menu and select your external drive. Now press and hold on an empty area and a pop-up menu will appear. Tap Paste and your photos and videos will start transferring to the external drive. And that's it. That's how you can transfer your photos and videos from the iPhone's Photos app to an external hard drive, SSD or USB flash drive.